Today, daily tier meetings are an essential way for team members to align on key information at stand-up and shift change meetings. From visualizing upcoming tasks to reviewing key metrics and taking corrective action, these meetings are often critical to achieving production goals. Unfortunately, for many companies, these tier meetings are inefficient and unproductive. Why? Based on outdated manual processes, these meetings waste hours of time with meeting preparation, pulling data, synthesizing into spreadsheets, and then printing and posting to a stand-up board. And the worst part? By the time the meeting is held, the posted data is already out of date. And at that time, when every company needs to move faster and more efficiently, these tier meetings struggle to empower teams to take action. There has to be a better way. L2L Team Board transforms the tier meeting with improved efficiency and accountability by providing your team with the latest up-to-date information in real time. With great features like automated data gathering, customizable widgets, drill-down charts, and digital handover notes. The L2L Team Board ensures your entire team, from technicians to plant managers and executives, always stay aligned and accountable. With Team Board, each of your teams stay more productive by viewing metrics that are business critical across safety, quality, delivery, and costs, assessing and prioritizing challenges and understanding their impact on productivity, analyzing data using drill-down charts to better understand issues and current challenges, ensuring accountability with a digital record of corrective actions that can be assigned, tracked, and updated in real time, and when needed, escalating issues more quickly to the next level of leadership tier meetings to quickly address and remove barriers to action. L2L Team Board takes daily tier meetings, stand-ups, and huddles to the next level of efficiency and accountability. Let us show you how L2L Team Board can help you manufacture better. Book a demo today.